Hi, welcome. This is Renton Technical College. My name is Chelsea Good, and I am an academic advisor and the Running Start manager at Renton Tech. We have some updates for you on admissions and financial aid. Our admissions processes have moved completely online, so students apply online, and all of our student services are working remotely, so students don't need to come to campus. We can actually assist students with all of their admissions and class needs virtually. We have an RTC Virtual Welcome Center via Zoom. I've provided the website here, and we can assist students with admissions processes, signing up for classes, financial aid assistance, and much more with our student services over our Virtual Welcome Center. All of our financial aid forms are being submitted electronically, so students, again, do not need to come to campus to submit their financial aid forms. We have extended our priority deadline for financial aid, so students have a little bit of extra time to turn in their financial aid paperwork. The RTC Foundation Scholarship, we have an application that will open for our winter quarter, and that opens October 5th if students need additional funding assistance. Some important deadlines: our fall quarter will start on September 21st. The financial aid FAFSA and WASFA opens October 1st. Again, that RTC Foundation Scholarship application will open October 5th. Winter quarter registration will begin on November 9th, and winter quarter will begin on January 5th. Now, RTC does have rolling applications for all of our technical programs. So if students have a particular program they're interested in, but perhaps it's full for the fall quarter, we can put them on a waiting list and potentially get them into some general education courses, and then they could start those programs in the winter quarter. We do have some really great resources available for our students at Renton Tech. We have Men and Women of Merit. Those are two separate groups, and those are groups where students of color and faculty and staff of color can come together as a support and to provide resources and different events for students. We also have a Black Student Union group, a Muslim Student Union, as well as Associated Student Government. And our student government does hold events on campus, and we will be planning some virtual events for our students here in the coming year. We do have behavioral health services, mental health counselors available for our students where they can get confidential assistance from a mental health counselor. We also have disability resource services if students need to set up any sort of accommodations, such as extended time on testing or things like that. And then students can apply for Phi Theta Kappa through Renton Technical College as well. So some changes due to COVID. Our professional technical programs are being offered in some different modalities. So we do have face-to-face programs such as professional baking, where students still come to campus as they normally would. We also have hybrid options. So for example, our automotive tech and our welding programs, students come to campus a couple of days a week, and then the rest of their instruction is online. And then we do have fully online programs such as our band instrument repair program, as well as early childhood education. Those are just a couple of examples. All of our general education courses will be completely online for the fall quarter. And then if students want to access the campus, student, staff, and visitors are required to complete a health survey, as well as practice social distancing and wear masks as well when they're on campus. Again, our student services are working remotely. And if students need to come to the campus to pick up loaner technology, such as a laptop or Wi-Fi hotspots, they can do that, as well as access our food pantry. They can come to campus for that. If you need updates for Renton Technical College, please visit rtc.edu/coronavirus. If you need our contact information and would like to reach out if you have any questions, please contact our advising office, and I've provided the contact information here, and you are also welcome to contact me. I appreciate your time, and we look forward to working with you in the future.